Hey, welcome, computer scientists. Today we're going to learn how to take some of what we did last week and turn it into a function. So, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw a T in the four sections of the screen by just calling a function. Um, so, I'm going to make a function that draws a T, and then I'm going to use it 4 times and save a lot of code. So, our first step is going to be defining our function. And I'm going to call this one draw T. And then I got to get my define a function block out. I got to name it. And then I have to put the commands in for drawing it. So I'm going to make mine 50. It's going to go forward 50. It's straight up. And then it's going to turn left 90. Go forward 25. Go backwards 25. Or go backwards 50. And then go forwards 25. So I'm doing this in my head right now. I'm imagining drawing the first straight line up, turning left, drawing this line, going backwards, going forwards. And then I'm going to get it situated right. I'm just adding in the commands for my T. I just want to show you what this looks like when it's called. So I'm going to call it. It's not going. There we go. So we always define and then we call just to see what it looks like. And I call it by spelling it the same way. So let's just see what this looks like when I run it. See, there's my T. One thing I want to note, I made sure it ends at the same place I started because whenever I call it, I want to be facing the same angle. That is very, very important. So now we got to figure out where we actually want to move this, and we're going to actually call it 4 times. So you guys are going to have draw S, draw W, whatever, but you're going to follow the same process, just with a different letter. The first thing I'm going to do is I want it to be about right here. So I'm going to say 70, 100. I'm going to move it there first. Make sure you pick the pen up. And then you're going to move it to 70, 100. And then you're going to draw a T. So you also got to put the pen down. So I picked the pen up because I don't want to drag across the screen. And when we run it, you can see what happens if I don't have my pen down or pen up. There's going to be a big line that goes to my T. So that's my first. Now I'm going to call this call in top left. And then I'm going to copy and paste this code and just change one thing. All I really got to change is the position. So I'm going to make it over here somewhere. I'm going to say 230. And I'm going to keep the Y the same so it kind of matches up. So that looks pretty good. Now I got to call it at the bottom right. And I'm going to copy and paste again, just because I'm only changing the move to command. And this time I want it to be a bigger Y number. So let's go 350. And it should draw it about right here. And then I need one more. Copy and paste again. This time I'm going to change this to 350. So if you notice, I sort of used the same numbers in here, 70, 70, 350, 350, 100, 100, just so it kind of looks even. And let's check it out. Very cool. If you wanted to, you could change the color for each one. You don't have to. but it's up to you, really. Now I'll have a green and a red one. So if you want to do that, that would be cool. But if you have any questions, ask me. And that's how you draw your T in 4 positions or whatever letter you have.